Hello, dear friends. My name is Bob, the CEO of Guangzhou HONGLING Electric Heating Equipment. I'm delighted to introduce our company and business philosophy to you. HONGLING has a long history in the baking equipment production field. Since 1979, we have been one of the earliest pioneers in this industry in China, and it has been 46 years to date. This remarkable journey is a testament to our enduring commitment and resilience, which very few companies can achieve that in China, and even on a global scale. Our core business focuses on manufacturing a wide range of commercial baking ovens. In addition, we engage in global trading of baking equipment, food machinery, and commercial kitchenware. Our products are available over 120 countries, with more than 1,000 models to choose from. Moreover, we have expanded into property management with self-owned real estate projects, and recently we even ventured into the exciting realm of zero-code digitalization service. What truly sets us apart from others is our commitment to product quality and customer service. We believe that good products originate from great design. This is why we have a dedicated R&D engineering team. We have obtained quite a few patents and have more applications in the pipeline. As for production, our skilled workers and advanced equipment handle all the processes from steel cutting, bending, welding to assembly. This ensures that our products are under thorough control throughout the entire manufacturing process. When it comes to customer service, our professional foreign trading team has over 10 years of experiences in the food-related equipment sector. They have an excellent understanding of both end users' needs and supply chain resources in China. Their extensive knowledge can empower your food processing business, even when it comes to customized solutions. Last but not least, we keep striving for excellence in terms of delivery efficiency and customer experience. Since 2023, we have self-developed our own digitalization system and registered their copyrights. This system has been fully implemented in the entire company's and factory's operations, integrating ERP, MES, inventory management, QA, EHS, and even advanced RPA and AI functions. You will be impressed by our amazing speed, agility, and quality when cooperating with us. Dear friends, we warmly welcome you to visit us and look forward to supporting your success in business. Thank you and cheers!